Most families have no idea how college recruiting actually works. And by the time they figure it out, it's often too late. Here's something I want you to understand right from the start. College recruiting is not a tryout, it's not a showcase, and it's not about showing up and hoping the right coach is watching. College recruiting is a system, and systems reward the families who understand how they work. Guys, I'm Coach Keith Mondillo, and I just finished my 31st year as a director of athletics and head college basketball coach. I know how the system works, and today I'm going to walk you through it. But before we get into the process itself, I need you to understand something really important. College recruiting is not what it used to be 5 years ago. It's not even what it was last year. The transfer portal has completely changed how coaches build rosters. Instead of relying entirely on high school recruits, coaches are now filling spots with experienced transfers. That means fewer roster spots are available for incoming freshmen, more now than ever before. Roster limits have tightened across every division. Coaches are being more selective. They cannot afford to take chances on athletes they don't know. And NIL has created a perception gap. Families hear about name, image, and likeness money and assume it's everywhere. The reality is that at most levels, especially at the Division 2 and 3 level, NIL opportunities are limited and should never be the primary reason you choose a school. And here's something happening right now as I film this. Division 1 is weeks away from a vote that could extend eligibility to 5 years for all student athletes. If that passes, it means even more experienced players staying in the system longer, more transfers, more competition for fewer spots. Here's the bottom line. This environment is changing fast. What's true today may look different in 6 months. And that's exactly why your family cannot afford to wait, guess, or follow outdated advice. You need a plan that's built for the process as it exists right now. So let me break this down. College recruiting comes down to five things. Number one is visibility. Coaches cannot recruit athletes they don't know exist. Your job is to make sure the right coaches know who your athlete is, what level they play at, and where they can be seen. Number two, initiation. Here's something most families get wrong. Coaches are not going to come find your athlete. Your athlete has to initiate contact. A well written, personalized email to a coach is often the first step that starts a real recruiting conversation. And if you want to know exactly what those emails should look like, I have 39 proven templates inside the athletic recruiting email playbook. You can find it at keithmondillo.com. Every stage of the process is covered from first contact all the way through the visit. Number three, evaluation. Once a coach knows your athlete exists, they start evaluating. They start evaluating film, grades, character, fit, all of it. And coaches are evaluating faster than ever because they have less time and more options. Number four, relationships. Recruiting is built on relationships. The families who stay consistent, follow up professionally, and treat every coach interaction like it matters are the ones who get noticed. The families who send one email and wait, they're the ones who get forgotten. Number five, the right fit. And this is where most families make their biggest mistake. They chase the biggest school, the highest division, the most recognizable logo. But the athletes who thrive are the ones who find the right fit, the right academic fit, the right athletic fit, the right social fit, and ultimately the right financial fit. I cover all this in depth in the Athletic Recruiting Roadmap and the Parents Recruiting Survival Guide. Both are available at my website, keithmondillo.com. These two books alone will give your family a complete picture on how this process works and exactly what to do at every stage. Now, I want to leave you with one thing before we wrap up. The number one mistake I see families make is they start too late. Most families think recruiting begins junior year. It doesn't. By junior year, the families who started early have relationships with coaches. They already have film, they already have a school list. And if your athlete's in middle school or early high school right now, the time to start building good habits is today, not next year, not when the season starts, today. And if you're not sure where to start, download my free college recruiting Jumpstart pack. Use the link below. It's 4 guides designed to help your family understand this process and start taking the right steps now. It's completely free. There's no excuses. Go download it right now. And make sure you subscribe to this channel because this environment changes fast. And I'm going to keep you updated every step of the way. Guys, I'm Coach Keith Mondillo. Let's get your athlete moving in the right direction. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.